Hello guys, today we have a Zippo bought online. Some unique packaging with the custom thank you note. Let's see what we have. Oh, there we go. Alright, so we have a U.S. Marines, one shot, one kill, devil dogs. Pretty cool. Here's the bottom stamp. A little bit of pocket carry wear. Pretty good. I like the design of the front of this. Pretty clean. But then we'll swap it out. The flint. Let me just get all set up here. There we go. And a little bit of gloss on the cap of the skull. A beautiful Zippo. So now we're just gonna clean out what probably old dusty flint is in here. Okay, pretty good piece of flint, all one piece. Definitely been used.